Hello, angels. I'm going to teach you how to make LDN from a 50 milligram naltrexone tablet. So I've already broken my tablet in half so that it's 25 milligrams. It has a little etching on it to make it easier to break. I fill a 5 ml syringe with 5 mLs of distilled water. So that's this. You can just put it in anything. And all you're gonna do is estimate, and then you're gonna measure out 5 ml. So you just grab this, you go in, fill it up, 5 ml. Then you put your little 25 milligram naltrexone in something like this, a little container. You can see I've already made one for myself. And then it dissolves really easily. So it should look something like this. You can have a little something with the top so that you can dissolve it. And shake, shake, shake. This has been sitting for, I don't know, usually it just takes about a half an hour or whatever. So then what you're gonna do, now that it's dissolved, is put it back in your 5 ml syringe, and the dose of 5 milligrams will be each of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 milligrams is 5 ml. That means each milliliter, sorry, not milligram, 5 milliliter, each milliliter is 5 milligrams of LDN, low dose naltrexone. So every day you'll take out 5, or you can do 4.5 if you want, or less. You could start with less, like 3, 2, 1 even. Start low, go slow. So you go 1 day, 2 day, 3, 4. Every 5 days you're gonna remake it, because there's no preservative or anything here. It's just distilled water. And you're gonna be sure to keep this in the fridge, like in the butter drawer or something. So yeah, 5 milligrams a day, low dose naltrexone, and that's all it is. So in your pack, you'll get a 30-day supply. That's 3 whole tablets, and then a couple of these. You can reuse these too, if you'd like. So, I don't know, every couple of times, switch them out. And then you'll have 2, one in just in case you mess it up or something. And you just keep the 18 gauge syringe, or the needle on the syringe, and you just put it in the fridge like this, full. So actually, let me show you that part. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah, here we go. So I'm gonna take this off. And now that it's all dissolved, this will be the final thing. Take this off, and you're gonna draw, making sure to suck all of the little bits up into your syringe. Try to get it all in there. If you waste a little bit, it's okay. It just means that your dose will be a little bit less, but a little bit less is good because it's 5 milligrams anyway. So there you go. Put this on. And then you wash this out and wipe it out with a little alcohol prep wipe and reuse it in 5 days. So I put this there, and then yeah, there's the dose. And it's gonna go just like this. In fact, here, look, let me take my dose right now. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna squeeze out till the plunger goes down to 4. So that's 5 ml. 1 ml, 5 milligram. And then put this in the fridge. 4 more days left. You have this, and you can take a little bit of water, like this distilled water I already have sitting here. Put it in. I don't know, for whatever reason, I like something to shoot. So then Hey. That's it.